Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Zach here with Unreal Adventures. It is a beautiful Monday morning. Again, I'm going to be at the Ellis Big Creek Dam here. I caught some really nice bass the other day, guys, and what I noticed was they were all way out in the middle. I had to chuck it. I had to throw my arm off every time to get it out there. So I decided I was going to put in the yak today, guys, and I'm going to get a little bit closer up into the middle into the dam so I don't have to cast so far. And hopefully I can get on to a couple more of them for you today. So I'm gonna shut up and get to fishing. All right, guys, a little bit closer to the action. It is going to be a good day. Already found this bad boy, this little swim bait in a tree, and also this nice little shad imitation flicker shad 5M PW. That's a nice, this looks brand new. Treble might need to be replaced, but otherwise it's a free lure, so that's awesome. Got him that time. I knew I felt I was feeling little tiny pops, and that's what it was. Little baby bass boy trying to get in on the action. That's okay though. We will set him back free. Get out of there, buddy. Not what we're after. Well, it is what we're after, largemouth, but I wanna see a big old fatty on the end of the line there. Little bully head, huh? Little crappie. He's out of the boat. Well, that boy got it. Again, nothing worth bragging about, but oop, he's in the boat. He's in the boat. Well, if we can get him to settle down, come on. Yeah, again, guys, nothing worth bragging about. Just a little dude. It might even be the same fish I caught earlier. Look at how small I got. Whoa! Whatever that is, guys, that's nice. He just smoked it right under the boat. Wow. Wow, it's a nice one. Oh, yes. All right, guys. Okay, maybe not a giant one. It felt a lot nicer right under me, but he is fat. Wow, pretty. That's a nice looking fish, guys. I'd have to say it's probably I don't know, a 17-incher or so. Probably weighs, I'm gonna guess 2 pounds probably, so not a bad fish by any means. All right, guys, look at that chunk. All right, we're gonna get her back in the water. There you go, get out of there. Let them go, let them grow, guys. That's what I always say. You know, on occasion I will keep keep a bass out of here, but only, I don't keep anything over a pound. There's a surplus of small fish in here, and you know, if you take the bigger ones, then you're gonna be stuck with a bunch of small fish. If you take some of the smaller ones out, then the big ones don't have to compete as much. They can get bigger, and the smaller ones can grow to, you know, average size. So that's why you should never take a nice fish out of a body of water. Here we go. There's another little crappie, guys. Come here. Stop bouncing. Stop bouncing. Nothing spectacular about this guy. They're pretty small. He's very white. Look how white he is, guys. He almost has no black spots. And I mean, I know it's a white crappie, but usually they are a little darker. I mean, he's pretty much all white, but we'll get him back in the water. Well, it sounds like there's people here. Don't know who they are or what they want. Probably fishermen who want to fish, but you know, this is 2018. You can't just make assumptions like that. That was surprisingly a little bit of a ride there, guys. Whoa. There we go, guys. That's a little bit nicer one. Get him in the boat. I'm having some major issues here, guys. What the frick is going on here? There we go. Going to attempt to not get impaled here. Let's get him off the hook first. Look at that, nice little chubby boy. Can't complain about that guy, now can we? He snarfed it down. That's a nice fish, guys. Probably, you know, pound and a half, 2 pounds maybe. He smoked that swim bait, that's for sure. Well, boys and girls, I think I am gonna call it a day. Just about burnt through 2 GoPro batteries here, and I don't know, I haven't been having a whole lot of luck. I caught a couple nice ones, but I'm just, you know, I would stay out all day if I could, but this kayak is so uncomfortable that I literally, if I stay in it for 1 second longer, I might lose my mind. So I'm gonna get out. Hopefully I'm gonna be able to get back out tonight, get a little more footage for you guys. But like always, if you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and subscribe. You can follow along on Instagram at _reel, REEL_adventures. And like always, guys, it's a good day to fish.